I am the uppercase letter M, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am M for monkey. Great. Now grab your pencil, trace down. Great. And back to the top and trace side down. Good. And back up, side, and now back down. Great. Now, next, trace down, back to the top, and now you trace down, you slant it, that's right from, draw a line that goes sideways down and goes back sideways up and down. Good. Letter M. Next, now trace down, back to the top, sideways down, and sideways up and back down. Great. Now let's trace more M. Go. Down, back to the top, sideways down, and sideways back up and down. Good. Another one. Down, back to the top, sideways down, sideways up and down. Great job. Now you know how to trace the letter M uppercase. So get your book and I need you to trace more letter M's. Bye.